How to download Inkscape on your PC. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily download Inkscape to your PC. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your web browser and then head over to your address bar to search for Inkscape download and hit enter. Now, once you do that, you can directly go to this URL inkscape.org, or you can download it from the Softsonics website as well. Go ahead and open it up. And as you guys know, this is an open source software, so you'll have free downloads available everywhere. Go ahead and click on free download for PC. And now the installation file will be downloaded. Just wait for it to complete. And once the installation is complete, you can just go ahead and click on it to open the app and start installing the application. Click on yes. And then from here, you have to set up your application. So click on continue. And from here, keep tapping on next. Click on accept. And now the download process has started, so just wait for it to complete. And once the download is done, you will be shown something like this on your screen. So you can open up your application or just open folder, click on finish, and now it will launch the entire application. Click on next. And from here, you just have to have an option to add a path for your users. I'm not going to do that. Keep tapping next. Choose your destination folder and then click on install. Click on next. And then from here, click on next again. Now click on install and you should be good to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.